Hey guys, welcome back to our Minecraft tutorials. I know it's been a long time since I made one. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Sorry this video is late as well. I just had a lot of things like my computer's just been crashing and stuff. This is the third time I made this video. My computer just keeps on crashing for some reason near the end of the finishing up the tutorial. So I think I fixed it, but yeah. So sorry. I know I said I was going to post this a few days ago, but I've been busy. So today we're going to be doing a multi-textured blocks. So basically, if you remember texturing blocks before, they only had like one side, basically, you could say. There's only ever, like, you'd put one image in, and it would do for all sides, but now we can do 6 sides separately, because there is 6 sides to a square. To warn you, this tutorial is not going to be that easy to follow. This is a hard topic. So if you don't understand what I'm saying, just go ahead and copy exactly what you see me doing. But yet again, I hope you guys have a basic programming knowledge. But yeah, this personally isn't my code. I had to go through forums to find this code, because this is something I have never done before, because I never had a use for multi-sided textures. So yeah. So to get started off, first we're going to need to make a block. I already have a block. If you remember when we made our lamp, it was the first block we ever made. We made our lamp though. If you don't have a block you want a texture, just go ahead and make a new block. If you don't want to make a new block, go watch my tutorial on that. And it's pretty simple how to make a block. Just go watch the tutorial and you'll know it, and then come back to this tutorial. So I already have the block I want to add my textures to, and it's our lamp block, if you remember. And yeah, so basically we have our basic block set up, and now we just got to add code to it. So go between these two squiggly brackets, and you're gonna need to type. Sorry if I have problems typing. It's just kind of hard to type. Actually, yeah. But anyways, we have to go up here actually. And I'm gonna make some room, and we have to make some variables. If you don't know what variables are, they're basically just units that can hold numbers. And we're gonna go ahead and go. Well, it's not much of a variable. Well, it's a variable, I guess. But just go ahead and type what I'm typing. We're going to do public, capital I, another capital I, icon. So capital I and then icon with a capital I, all together. And you're going to do space, capital S, side 0. Sorry if I'm talking. I sniff a lot. I have allergies because it's kind of warming up. So yeah, we're kind of an arrow or icon. Go ahead and hover over icon, and just have to import it. There's only one import, so just click on the first one you see. And now, since there's 6 sides to a cube, we need to copy 5 more of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to renumber these to side. So go on to where we have the side, and go to the one under it, into side 0. Go down to the next one. I mean side 1. And then go down to side 2. Go down side 3. Down side 4. Down. Oops. Down, and then side 5. So you should have these 5 variables right here, labeled side 0 through side 5, to get 6 of them. I'm numbering it this weird way because this is kind of how you kind of number things in programming, just to make it easier, because 0 is considered a usable digit in programming, I guess you could say. So name 0 through 5, it gives you 6. So just do that. Up here, go ahead and pause the video if you have to. Now we're going to come down here, and we're going to come in between these two squiggly brackets. Sorry if I'm being very specific. I just want to make sure you guys understand it, because it's a hard thing to understand. Now anyways, now down here we're going to do public, void, and then we're going to do register, not capitalized, and then capitalize without pressing space. Do block, and then capitalize again, icons. And register block icons is all in one word. And then we're going to do I don't know what you call them. I don't know my name and my keys that well, which is kind of weird since I like programming. But curved squiggly bracket, curved brackets, these parentheses, I think. I don't know. Doesn't matter. I don't know my keys that well. And go in between those, And when you do an open one, it should automatically do the closing one. So yeah, basically programming knowledge, like I said. And I'll go and type capital I, and then capital I icon, and then without pressing space, do register, and then press space and type in icon not capitalized. Okay, now come out of these brackets and do an open squiggly mark with the mouth facing to your right. Sorry if I'm kind of making this childish sounding. I just want to be able to make it more easy for you to understand. So like that. So go ahead and put one of these in there and press enter, and it'll automatically finish this. And we'll be down here. We have an arrow up here, so let's go ahead and hover over it because you have to import it. And just import it. Okay, now come back down. And then these two parentheses, sorry, two squiggly marks, I guess, squiggly brackets. You're going to type capital S, side 0. Now what this side 0 is referring to is the side 0 we have up here. So it's just referring to that. And then do space equals, not capitalized icon, it's not capitalized. Then do period. Hold on. Okay, sorry. It's kind of lagging. Period. And just come up with all these, this list. Click on register icon. And in between, in here, it's going to automatically generate this. And in here, delete arg0. And if you never had a texture, how you like refer to textures. If you don't, go watch my texturing video. But if you do, you just put quotation marks and you put in there if you remember how to put textures, you just put the name of your mod ID, which ours is YouTube mod, and then you put colon, and then you put the name of your texture file, which your texture file has to be in PNG format. It has to be put in the right directory. And yet again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then go watch my texturing video. And you just put what you want the file to be named. I'm going to go ahead and just put side 0 to make it simple. So now it's going to look in our texture files for the image side 0 and end with the semicolon. Now copy this, and we have to paste this 5 more times to get 6. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yet again, we have to just replace everything. So go down 1, side 1 equals icon register icon YouTube mod side 1, and just go down and replace the side with side 2, and then go down again and side 3. Sorry, started for all along. It's kind of complicated. Oops, I put 4. Side 3, go down, do side 4, and then go down and side 5. Make sure you do it for the textures too, like that. Okay, now that's done. Now go in between these two squiggly brackets with the mouth facing to the left. Sorry if I'm making it sound stupid. And do public icon, both I's are capitalized, and do space get, not capitalized, and then a capitalized icon, and that's together. And then do your brackets, not squiggly brackets. Sorry, it's kind of stupid. I don't know the name of keys. You can make fun of me in the comments if you don't, but I just don't know the name of keys that well. I'm not good at remembering names. And in here you're gonna do int side, and then comma, and do int meta. Okay, now do a squiggly bracket, open squiggly bracket, the starting one. I'm not going to say to left or right, I'm just going to say starting one, and press enter, and it should finish it. And in here, we're going to do if statements. Now we got an arrow up here, so just hover over it and click add return statement. And actually just delete that for right now. We'll do that later. Okay, now down here, we're going to go, in here, under, no, up here, never mind, sorry guys. Up here, in between the two brackets, and we're going to say if, and then your circled brackets, and in between that, you're going to say side, not capitalized, equals 0, and then put outside that exclamation point, open squiggly bracket, the starting squiggly bracket, sorry guys, and press enter, and you're going to say return capital S, side 0, and then semicolon. Now basically what this is saying is if side equals 0, then it's going to return side 0, and it's basically referring to this up here, these. Now, this is where things get complicated. Down here, go on this bracket right here, like on it, this bracket in the front of it, and do else, if, and then do your brackets, say side, not capitalized, equals 1, and then do a starting bracket, and press enter, and you do return capital S side 1, and that's going to return side 1. Now go ahead and copy this right here, this else if. Actually, I'm just going to type it all. So go down to your next bracket and say, sorry guys, else if brackets side equals 2, and then do a starting bracket, and then press enter, then do return capital S side 2, do a semicolon, and then come down on this one and do else if again, and you're basically going to do else if until you reach side 5. So you're going to do else if side equals 3, and then do open bracket, starting bracket, starting bracket, enter, return side 3, and then we're going to come down here on this bracket and do else if side equals 4, starting bracket. I spelled else wrong. Else. Ugh. Sorry guys, I'm making this video so long. And then we're going to do return capital S side 4, and it's pretty self-explanatory from here. And you can do it again. Else, oh my gosh, else if side equals 5, starting bracket, return, side 5. Sorry, I'm having time problems. The mic's like right in front of me, so it's kind of hard. And then we have this arrow up here. Just hover this and say add return statement, and it's going to add this return statement. And it says return side 0 down here. Just replace that with null. And if you don't know what null is, it means absolute 0 in German. Yeah, so let's just replace that after you add the return statement. Now, if you didn't understand anything I was saying, just pause the video and copy this down. I'm going to try to add a source file. Yeah, I'm going to create a little website for you guys to download the source files. And so I'm going to go ahead and just for now, since I don't have the website up right now, just pause the video and copy this. Now we have this. We're going to have to go to our texture files. If you don't know where that is, yet again, go watch my texture video on how to texture. And now, textures, blocks. Now, remember we have all these sides. We have the textures right here, the name of the texture. So side 0, side 1, side 2, side 3, and side 4, and side 5. Well, I have my texture set up right here with side 0.png, side 1.png, side 2.png, and side 3, and side 4, and side 5 PNGs. So you have to have 5 different textures. So, yeah, I made just simple ones with numbers on them. So now we can go ahead and just put those in your block texture folder. Yeah, if you don't know how to do that, watch my block texturing video. So go ahead and run the game. I'm going to go ahead and pause as it runs. Okay, now that we're back, we're in our world, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. Sorry if I'm sniffling a lot, like I said, allergies, so sorry about this. Sorry if my tutorials seem different, I'm still getting back in the hand of it, so yeah. And sorry if it's hard to follow along. Like I said, I'm starting a website, so you guys can go ahead and check out the source files and be able to copy and paste them for the ease of just making it easy for you guys. Sorry if it looks laggy on your screen. My computer doesn't suck, it's just... like this recorder is, it's called Snagit, and basically it's made just for that. Well, here's this, but it's not textured. Hold on, guys. Let me check this out. I'm really confused on why it's not working. Did I spell YouTube not wrong? Hold on, guys. Let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I know it happened. It was just a simple mistake. Right here on public void register block icon, we need to capitalize the I on icon, and it's actually icons. So if you see where I'm fixing in this error, it's right here. So icons. So it's like this: register block icons, capital I on icons, right here. So just a little mistake that happens sometimes. So now I'm gonna run the game. Sorry for that error. It's pretty unprofessional, but that happens sometimes in programming. Just little simple things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the game load, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we're back, as you see, we have our block with our textures on now. Sorry for that mistake. I'm gonna fly up, and I'm gonna place this on top of this tree. I'm just gonna break around it. See, it lights up because it's our lamp that we made. And as you see, side 2, the bottom is side 1, and side 6, side 4, side 5, side 3. And so if your sites need to be specific, just go ahead and just change the names of them for what they need to be, because they're kind of random. So just know bottom side 1, up is side 2, and they're just like that. So that's it. Sorry if it's hard to understand me because my voice. So I haven't made a tutorial in a long time. Sorry this video was long. It's just a hard topic to kind of go through, and I kind of go over things way too much, more than they need to. Sorry if the quality isn't that good on the audio. But yeah, that's it. That's how you make a multi-textured block. Sorry I didn't make it sooner. I tried to make it, and my computer kept on giving me the blue screen of death. If you don't know what that is, just look it up. It's just where your computer crashes with the blue screen. And I think I fixed that. So I'm going to stop this video real fast to hope that doesn't give me a blue screen. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see ya.